So hello everybody, welcome back to this free digital marketing course. So in today's video we're gonna discuss about how you can create your Google AdWords account. So if you don't know what is Google AdWords, and so I basically recommend you to watch my Google AdWords video. So the link is in description box. Hello everybody, I am Sanjay. In today's video I'm gonna discuss about how you can start your Google AdWords account step by step tutorial. So let's start this video.
Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang.
So let's start this video. So for creating a Google AdWords account, just go on to Chrome and now search for Google Ads. So click on first link. Wait until it opens. So after it opens, just click on sign in. After you click in sign in, so these are multiple accounts. So you can create multiple accounts in by using one Gmail account, because if you have more than one client, if you want to run ads for more than one client, then you can create multiple account and you don't need any more email ID for creating several ads account. You can create multiple ads account in under one Gmail account. So I have 2 3 accounts. So for this video purpose, I will create another ad account. So now let's go on create new Google ad account. Click on that. So after you click on that, one pop-up box will open. So after this open, so don't click on any of this, just go into are you a professional marketer, switch to expert mode. So just click on that. So after you click on that, then it will ask you select your goal for campaign. So there will be say leads, website traffic, brand awareness, app promotion, product and brand consideration. These are all several goals for your campaign, but don't click on any of that. Just go on to create an account with an campaign. Create an account with a campaign. So now it will ask you or confirm your business information, billing of country, time zone, currency. So don't change anybody, don't change so now it will ask you to confirm your business information. It is of billing of country, from which country you are billing, so time zone, currency. So don't change anybody if you are from India. And now click on submit. So now just click on congrats, you are all done. Now click on explore your account. So as you click on that, your Google Ads account is completely set up and your Google Ads dashboard will be open. So it is the overview of Google dashboard. So this is overview, this is campaign. Here you can do settings. So after you create this, just click on tools and setting. So here you will get each and every settings of your Google Ads account. It is a billing, it is a measurement, it is a set library, bulk actions, scripts, uploads, planning, keyword planner. So these are multiple features of Google AdWords account. So don't worry if you don't know each of this, because if you are beginner you won't know any of this. Don't worry about it. I will make a video in detail covering all those features. So make sure you watch all this video. And if you feel any doubt, if you feel that my Google Ads account is not creating properly, some errors are coming, just DM me on Instagram. I will definitely help you out. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.